Imagine you have a set of data representing test scores from a class. You want to understand the distribution of these scores and identify any outliers. That's where the box and whisker plot comes in. The box in the plot represents the interquartile range, or the middle 50% of the data. The lower edge of the box corresponds to the first quartile, Q1, while the upper edge corresponds to the third quartile, Q3. The line inside the box represents the median Q2, which divides the data into two equal halves. The whiskers are the lines that extend from the edges of the box to the minimum and maximum values of the dataset. They show the range of the data while also identifying any potential outliers. Now, let's create a box and whisker plot for our data of test scores. First, arrange the numbers in ascending order. The maximum score is 93, and the minimum score is 59. Then find the median. The median is the number in the middle, which is 82. Now, we need to find the quartiles. First quartile, which is Q1, is the median of data values present at the left side of median. It is the median of 59, 67, 75, and 78. Since we have two numbers in the middle, 67 and 75, we sum both of them and divide by 2. The result is 71. Third quartile Q3 is median of data values present at the right side of the median. It is the median of 85, 88, 91, and 93. The median will be the sum of 88 and 91 divided by 2. The result is 89.5. The interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1, which is equal to 89.5 minus 71, which will give 14.5. Identifying potential outliers. We determine potential outliers using this formula. Lower bound is Q1 minus 1.5 times interquartile range. In this example, it will be 71 minus 1.5 times 14.5. It equals to 71 minus 21.75. It equals to 49.25. Upper bound, Q3 plus 1.5 times interquartile. In this example, it will be 89.5 plus 1.5 times 14.5. It will be equal to 111.25. Now to create the box plot, we just need 5-number summary, which is given by minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and maximum. Hence, 59, 71, 82, 89.5, and 93 is the 5-number summary for the given data. Now, we can draw the box and whisker plot based on the 5-number summary. And there you have it. By following these 6 simple steps, you can easily construct a box and whisker plot from any dataset. Whether you're analyzing test scores, survey data, or financial metrics, mastering this visualization technique will enhance your ability to interpret and communicate key insights. Smart myths. Be the smartest.